Hi guys, my name's Ryan and welcome to another episode of Built by Me. Today is pretty exciting because I'm going to get some steel delivered today to make the rotisserie and the chassis jig that I need to restore the car. But to do that, I've got to sort all these parts out. They're scattered all over the floor, so I've got to sort that, and then I need to dismantle the rear suspension assembly so that I have enough room to work and weld and do all those bits and pieces. So today's going to be just a little bit of a tidy up really. I'm going to actually try and get the welder out because it's still in its box. I haven't actually touched it. Bought it a year and a half ago and I'm going to see what plug it needs because I have a feeling it's a 15 amp plug and I feel like I don't have a 15 amp extension cord, so I'm going to have to look at that and we'll see what we can get done. Hope you enjoy. Okay, there it is. So what I did was, because the rubbers are just, they're probably like 30 years old or more, I just cut it straight off. I didn't bother trying to remove it intact, so I just cut with a Stanley knife around where the pinch welds are and then just levered it off and broke it off and popped out really good. So officially did not break any glass. Removing them from the car, everything, all the glass is intact, which is good, really good. I thought it was pretty rust free. There's a little bit of rust, it's not too bad, I've seen a lot worse. I can see there's a few dents on the back lower panel, but I think that's pretty normal. There's been some bodgy repair work, as per usual. So they've tried to put a weird little angle patch in there and fogged it up here, and they've chopped it here, and I'll just show you guys. The paint looks nice and shiny, but it has been resprayed. So here you can see they've just chopped that top skin off and then just left it. Just left it. A big hole in it. It's all good. It's all good. And over here, so you can see a little panel they tried to put in there. It's absolutely terrible. And just skimmed a bit of bog over the top. She'll be right. She'll be right, eh? But other than that, it's pretty good shape. I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, I'll just take this locking mechanism out and then we're done with it for now. And here it is, guys. Just got the delivery of steel, so I can start making this chassis jig and the rotisserie. Okay, so I loaded up the wire, I fed the wire through. It took a while. It actually took a long time to get to the end. I thought something was wrong with it. If you guys haven't watched any of my previous videos, I've never welded before. Well, I have welded once. So I don't particularly know what I'm doing, but I'm going to learn. So yeah, fed the wire, got it through, had a little play, tacked around on the chassis, on the frame rails that they're going to come out anyway, and there's a big hole in them, so I was just doing a bit of welding in that and playing around. It's all working good, and it's a 10 amp, not a 15 amp, which is great, so I don't need to go out and get new extension cords or change sockets or anything like that. Cool. Another little crappy job done. So there's one half shaft off. These look in pretty good nick. Probably reuse these. Alright, well that's done. I still need to break it down a little bit further. Those spindles on the lower control arms are meant to be a pain in the butt. So I think I'm going to need a vise to try and hit them out. I think there's a thing you can buy to push it out. So I'll have to see how much they are. Otherwise, maybe I just get new spindles and smash them out. Don't know. I've heard a lot of horror stories about them. But yeah, that was just to get it out of the way so I could actually move all the stuff. Now I think we might just try and tidy up and put all these parts away that are lying on the ground. And that's all we got time for, guys. I've run out of time, but we got a lot of little annoying jobs that I've been meaning to do done, like do a heap of tidy up and move the rear suspension, dismantle it somewhat so I can get it out of the way. So next time we can start this chassis jig. I'm pretty excited to do something other than loosen nuts and bolts on the car. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Take care.